This is Audi. When you see these four rings, you instantly think of luxury, performance, and German engineering. But the story of Audi is not just about fast cars, it's a story of bankruptcy, mergers, war, innovations, and comeback that changed the car industry forever. This is the incredible journey of Audi. Now, Audi was founded by August Horsch, a German engineer. In 1899, he started a car company called Horsch in Germany. But after disagreements with partners, Horsch was forced to leave his own company. Here is the interesting part. He was not allowed to use his own name for a new company. So, he translated his surname, Horsch, which means listen in German, into a Latin. The Latin words for listen is Audi, and that's how Audi was born in 1909. In 1932, four German automobile companies merged together. These are Audi, Horsch, DKW, and Wanderer. They formed a new company called Auto Union. The famous four rings logo represents these four companies. During Second World War, Auto Union factories produced military vehicles. After the war, the factories in East Germany were destroyed or taken over by the Soviet Union. The company almost disappeared completely. But the story of Audi was far from over. In the 1960s, the struggling company was bought by Volkswagen Group. This acquisition changed everything. Volkswagen invested heavily in engineering and technology. In 1965, the Audi brand was revived with a new generation of modern cars. Audi became famous for innovation. One of its biggest breakthrough came in 1980 with the legendary Audi Quattro. It introduced all-wheel drive technology to performance cars. The Quattro dominated international rally racing and changed the automotive industry. Today, Quattro AWD remains one of Audi's signature technologies. Today, Audi produces some of the world's most advanced vehicles. Popular models include Audi A4, Audi Q7, Audi R8. The company is also investing billions into electric mobility with the Audi e-tron series. Audi currently sells cars in over 100 countries worldwide. Now, here are some fascinating facts. Audi's slogan is Vorsprung durch Technik, meaning progress through technology. Audi sells over 1.6 million cars every year. The company headquarters is in Ingolstadt, Germany. Audi is part of the Volkswagen Group, the world's largest automaker group. From a founder who lost his own company to becoming one of the most powerful luxury car brands in the world, the journey of Audi proves that innovation and resilience can turn setbacks into global success. And those four rings will continue to represent the future of automotive engineering.